Hey everybody, Holli here from HolliDay, AnyDay, and what's Holli drinking today? Well, how about a nice festive holiday cocktail? How about that? So today we're gonna make a Cranberry Rosemary Martini. And what we're gonna start with is this super cool new vodka I just discovered. It's called Hair of the Dog. And a certain percent of all the proceeds of their profits goes to various animal charities. So we're gonna use their vodka and support them. So let's start with a few ounces of this. I mean, we can drink and support animal charities. Like, what better, right? Okay, so we got that. Then we've got cranberry juice, unsweetened. Make sure you get the unsweetened juice, okay? We've got a splash of OJ. And then I made some homemade rosemary syrup. Now this would be a super cool idea for a holiday gift or a hostess gift or any time of gift. It's like you can make it, it'll last in your fridge 2-3 weeks. So we're gonna add a little bit of this in. And it's not crazy strong. You can make it as strong as you like by just steeping your rosemary longer. Okay, put that guy aside. Then maybe a squeeze of lime. And some ice. You could also serve this on the rocks, of course, but I thought it'd be pretty to serve it in a nice little martini glass. Okay, get our lid on real good. We'll give them a shake. Okay, I'm gonna use my other strainer because I like it better. So, a real pretty festive holiday glass. Let's go ahead and... This is a really nice cocktail. I mean, a really great batch cocktail. You could just serve it as needed. You could also just serve it on the rocks, which would be real good too. Do that. Then I made these darling little sugared cranberries to garnish. And I even took the rosemary I used in the rosemary simple syrup and sugared that too. I mean, is that like the prettiest drink you've ever seen? But now I have to try it. Okay, so let me taste this without poking myself in the eye. Oh, it's really, really good. And definitely don't use the sweetened cranberry. It's nice and tart. It's really good. Cheers. It's easy breezy.